Hi guys, in today's video you will be learning how to earn free bitcoins on the internet. Yes, you heard it right. You might already know how powerful bitcoins are. You might have all heard news of billionaires like Elon Musk investing into bitcoins. The reason so many people are investing into bitcoins is because it's a virtual currency which is expected to give hundreds and thousand% increases in terms of valuation. That means if you are willing to invest $1,000 today, then that might actually become $100,000 after 10 years. So why Bitcoin is so popular, why it has become so much, that is not what we are looking forward to in this video. Because in this video, I'm going to show you a method using which you'll be able to make free Bitcoins on the internet. That means if you are able to get one Bitcoin, then you will be having 10 Bitcoins after 10 years. This is the power of buying into Bitcoins. The reason is, like, if you earn $100 today, that won't automatically turn into $10,000 tomorrow or $10 tomorrow. Dollars is very common currency and it is not going to give you an additional rise. But the benefit of investing or earning Bitcoins is that the actual value which you're going to get after a few years is going to be much higher. So what are the websites which pays you in Bitcoins for some free work? Well, today I'm about to show you two such websites which are willing to give you Bitcoins in return of your work. Now your work doesn't have to be creating content or creating SMS, creating messages, creating articles or creating videos, shooting videos. You don't even have to take pictures and you don't even have to listen to songs. In today's video, I'm going to show you something really amazing. These two websites will help you to make money online in the form of Bitcoins. So let's take a look at these two websites one by one. Now before getting started, I'll recommend you to like this video and make sure you subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you get updates of our future videos as well. So now let's take a look at this first website called as LightGPT. So you need to go to lightgpt.com. As you can see that it is a futuristic website and it says the future is here and you. Now they have an amazing rating on Trustpilot. They have over 777 reviews on Trustpilot. So when you come to this website, you'll see this option here which says choose the language. As you can see that it is available in almost all the popular languages of the world. That means you can be from any country of the world as long as you understand any of these languages like English, French, German, or in fact any of these like Russian, Espanol, then you will be able to make money. Now what are the various ways to make money on this website? I will just show you right now. So when you scroll down, you see there are four major earning ways. One of them is video ads. You need to view ads and then you'll be getting paid. Then you'll have an offer wall where you can see various offers which you can send to your friends, and when they sign up on those offers, because they are CPA, you will be making money. CPA is basically stands for cost per action. That means they don't have to go and purchase anything. They just have to visit it, complete the given task, and that task can be as simple as entering their zip code, entering their email, or just downloading a file, and you will be getting paid. Then there are short links. That means you can shorten YouTube videos links and then share those on your social media and still make money. And the last method is Fouquet. But I'll suggest you to go with these two methods only by watching video ads and by shortening links. This way you don't have to promote anything to your friends and family. Now there are two ways to make money on this. As I said, you can withdraw in dollar and BTC. So BTC is basically the Bitcoins which you are looking for. Now you see they are going to give you some daily bonuses, passive income, cheap and profitable upgrade plans. They have over 8 earning ways, and most of the people are earning using PTC ads and banners. Now as you can see that as an advertiser, people get so much benefits, like they get detailed statistics, geographic filters. So that's why they are willing to advertise on LightGPT, and therefore we are able to make money because they have such amazing advertisers. As you can see that they have right now over 238,000 members. Now they offer lots and lots of services: revenue sharing, offer walls, GPS, CPA or GPT network, security capture, traffic exchange, anti-cheat spam, multi-language support, PTC mastered, many payment processors. They offer chat support, ad packs, ads, multiple currencies. So you can see that they have lots of amazing stuff. Now as you can see that they also have these payment proofs here, which you can see live payment proofs, and then they have bitcoins, pay, coin payments, pocket pay. So there are so many ways for you to make money on this website. Now to sign up to this website, you just have to click on this register button here, and then when you click on register button, you just have to fill in this simple form with your username, email, password, and if you have any referral code, and then you just have to accept all of these conditions, then click on register. So that's it. This is how easy it is to register on lightgpt.com. Now the next website I'm about to show you is CoinDeploy. So you can go to this website cointiply.com, as you can see on the screen, and when you come to this website, you see earn free Bitcoin, over $1.2 million paid in free Bitcoins. You can see that this is a realistic website. It has an amazing user interface. Join the highest paying Bitcoin pocket and reward site. Earn thousands of Satoshis every day. Satoshis is basically the guy who created Bitcoin, so that's why they are referring it as Satoshi. But I hope you're getting an idea that you can earn hundreds and thousands of Bitcoins every single day using this website. Now this website is so popular that they have been partnered and featured with so many other popular websites. Now let me tell you how it works. So first you need to sign up, then you need to complete some basic offers, complete some surveys, watch videos, complete basic tasks. Basic tasks can be as simple as going to a website and hitting a button. And then there is a bonus thing that you can play the multiplier. So if your multiplier hits, you can multiply your coins up to 61x. Yes, 61 times. Now there are lots and lots of ways to make money on CoinDeploy, like I showed you in the top. Now there are some additional features that I'd like to talk to you. For example, you can send your Bitcoins directly to your wallets. Then you can earn 5% interest when you reach 35,000 coins. That means if you have over 35,000 coins, you get an additional 5% interest without doing anything. This is basically passive income, automatic money without doing anything. Then you have loyalty bonuses, reward points, fast payments, expert support, 25% of referrals. That means if someone goes to your link and sign up to CoinDeploy, you get 25% of all your referral claims and 10% of their offer earnings. So you see they are very supportive, and right now they have paid over 201 Bitcoins. The cost of one Bitcoin is over $30,000 to $40,000. So just imagine what would be 201 Bitcoins. They have total users of 1.7 million, and they have over 26 million offers which were completed. So I hope you have learned the basic of how to use CoinDeploy. Now let me show you how to sign up. So you need to come to this website and click on this register button here. Now when you click on this register button here, you'll see a simple form. As simple as you need to enter your name, your email, your password, click on I agree, and then create your free account. No conditions attached. So this is how easy it is. Now if you want to see payment proof of people actually making money, then you can go to their Trustpilot profile, and you can see that they have amazing ratings there. So you can see that they have over 2,752 reviews and 4.7 star ratings. So this is insane. You see they have over 88% reviews which says excellent. So guys, I hope you have learned the benefits of using CoinDeploy as well as LightGPT. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Now before you quit, I would like you to like this video and press the subscribe button along with the bell icon so that you get notifications of our future videos. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.